What are we gonna call this one?
You see the thing where it's exploding.
Too much to handle?
How about just Exploding Duck 2?
No, it's actually reindeer this time.
But it's alright.
Yeah. So, maybe we should get closer.
Nah, I'm fine right here.
Alright. How about we take your camera and
Well,
put it on
yeah,
that-
I'm gonna go look at it.
Yes.
But
This is pretty much the dangerous thing we've ever done. That and the grassy area doesn't really help out too much either.
Oh, like what if? Oh well, there's not really that much grass.
Hey, Amanda. I take it you're on now.
Huh?
Alright.
Bring it that far down.
Yes. As a matter of fact.
Fucking light yourself on fire before it even gets.
Alright, guys. Lighter, please.
yeah, this is where I step out of the picture.
Are you gonna do it now?
I need this, please.
You're gonna like record?
Dude, don't light it yet.
If something was lit behind me, like I wouldn't be walking. I'd probably be.
Bag.
Wait, Amanda.
Yeah. What?
Joe, don't! It turned off.
Hold down the button. It'll come up. Ready?
Wait, no.
Alright, fuck it. Never mind. Amanda?
Fine.
1 second.
Here it goes.
Fucking wait 1 second.
Oh my god, I gotta run. Come on.
Wait.
It's not safe. There's the gas tank right there. Oh my god.
Was there even a fireball in that one?
No.
Well, it put a dent in the barrel.
Wow.
Holy shit, it blew a hole in it. Oh my god.
Is it in the bottom?
How do you take your pictures? Oh, play.
Oh no.
That's probably what happened too. You see it go in the air? Where's the little guy at? Pieces.
No, where's all the
There's a fuzz everywhere.
You get it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Turn it up.
I have seen.
Wow. Well, that worked out pretty good, huh?
Hmm?
I'm satisfied.
It really stinks, man. Apparently.
That's all gas. Won't light it.
Ah, look, a little piece of them. Funny.
I'm kind of disappointed there was no fireball. Should have done it in the water.
Well, a little late for that.
Just throwing that out there.
Commentary?
It was alright.
Please look at his face right now. Currently, this is his face.
Closing statement?
It wasn't a fireball. Kind of disappointed with that. Smells good.
Yep. That's
We should have lit him on fire then.